The overall scene appears to be a workbench or desk, crammed with a jumble of wires, electronic devices, and other items. The lighting in this area seems to be a mix of natural light from a window and artificial light from a bright circular fixture on the wall. The camera then pans to the right, showing more of this cluttered environment. We see a wooden structure, possibly a set of shelves or cabinets, bathed in the warm glow of another circular light fixture on the wall. This wooden furniture has a reflective surface, mirroring the light. There are also several other cameras or similar devices positioned around, suggesting a multi-camera setup. Our view continues to pan right and then up, revealing a window with 2 panes. Through the window, we can glimpse a bright, outdoor scene with what looks like blue skies and possibly some structures or equipment outside. Above the window, on a ledge or shelf, there's an assortment of folded clothes and various objects, including a colorful rainbow-striped bag. The wall surrounding the window is a rich, dark red. The camera then sweeps across the cluttered workstation again, giving us a more comprehensive view of the disarray. We can see more wires, random objects, and even a roll of paper towels. The light shifts, and the overall scene appears darker and more chaotic. We catch a glimpse of what looks like another old, silver-colored computer monitor with a dark screen, standing upright. A bright orange light source is also visible, adding to the visual noise. Finally, we return to our initial view of the vertically oriented Dell monitor. The screen is still displaying the same Windows File Explorer and video player. The small white camera, now back in its original position, is positioned in front of the monitor, seeming to record the screen. The overall impression is of a highly technical, yet incredibly messy, workspace. The last few seconds give us a wider shot of this workstation, showing the entire cluttered setup with the monitor at its center, surrounded by various electronic gadgets, wires, and other miscellaneous items, including a straw hat hanging in the background. The scene is lit by a warm, golden light coming from a fixture on the right, casting a cozy, if somewhat chaotic, glow over the entire setup.
Okay, so now we are ready to share this. To share it, we have to select the share image again on the Pikibot dialog box button on the right hand side. So this is the share button. I click the share button in the app, then scroll down to the bottom of the narrative that the AI transcribed, and find another share button, which I click again, and then I click share video button again. So this is another part of the app. Click share video, and then I can click the email address to share it with. This is the ARush address. And then there is one more button to complete this algorithm, and this is the share button. At the very top, a blue or purple button before the 3 dots. To the left, I should say, of the 3 dots at the right upper corner of this screen of this phone. And this is a Galaxy phone. So I press this button to finally share it. Let's show it again to the various cameras, and the 360 camera in particular, and finally my phone camera. Press this button to send. So now I've sent both the description and the video. I'm going to just do it one more time to demonstrate it. Share description. Share description again. The email address, and send. Now I've sent both. It may be useful to have a message, shared video, and then shared description, so the user that cannot remember what they have done, like myself, will have a message that says what happened. Not only share, but what was shared. Shared video and shared description. And now I can go back and back again to the regular screen and just use a regular camera to record myself. With video, but change the focus. Aim it at myself, start the recording, and then place it on my desk here, so I will be again hands-free, able to continue with this demonstration. And now I'm adding one more camera to this recording, and this is a phone camera protruding from my desktop right in front of me. As I'm going to wrap up this operation, let's recount how many external cameras I have. So first of all, it's my video glasses that are recording, number one external camera. Number two, it's my phone that is tucked inside my lanyard, number two external camera. And number three is the Kodak Pix Pro Orbit 360 4K external camera. So this is three external cameras working together to record incidents such as the blue screen of death that Microsoft frequently creates. Okay, then, in addition to the three external recording devices, let's count the internal recording devices. And starting with number one, numero uno, so far it was three, so this will be number four. The number four camera is the the Cyber Link UCam, and that is going already for 30 minutes. I'm going to make it a little smaller at this point. So this is number four. Number five is the webcam MSN Recorder Max, the screen recorder, excuse me, and number six is Webcam Max, another web camera recorder that is working already 31 minutes and 55 seconds. So this is number seven. Finally, I have also my notepad here, which is number 8 recorder, file save, so far 8. And the built-in camera that is stuck on top of the monitor is number 9. And least but not, and most important, is the step recorder, PSR, problem step recorder, to record all the problems. So now I'm going to stop the PSR, the problem step recorder. We have reviewed all 10 cameras that are going in simultaneously, 4 external cameras, and 6 more internal various recording devices. So now I'm going to demonstrate the step recorder recording now by adding a comment, add comment, the video file name that I created, and it's was recording it here. Let me see if it's still in memory. No, it is out of memory, so I have to copy it again to the clipboard buffer, edit copy, and then add a comment, and paste it onto the screen. Right mouse click to paste. Into the dialog box, click and drag to select area, or pick Control to select. So it marked with red the area of my notepad, and now I click and it interrupts the entire process, so the entire screen is frozen until I click OK to confirm it, and then I can proceed to the next step, which is stopping step recorder and saving it. So now I click the save button, take the previous name, and this is a poor man version control, and mark the year by a subscript of A. So I know that this is version A, and adjust the time, which is 8:08. So the current time is 8:08, 8.08, and delete. I have to convert the colon in the time to periods, because colons are not allowed in the file names of Windows 10 Enterprise, which is what I'm using now. Then copy the psr.txt, mark it with a cursor, then copy to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it as a prefix to this zip file name in the file name field. So I focus on it first, then focus on the first position, and then paste the path, followed by a backslash, and then right mouse click and copy it into the clipboard buffer, then click the save button, and then scroll review the additional details. There are additional details in notes, and then going up the file, step number 84 is the last step, and user comment. It highlights the double quote, the date and time, garbage crane, dump truck,